There is this magnificent breadth of opportunities with an organ. The same way that the organ can express that deep gloom and foreboding sense, it can flip that right on its head and be the most rambunctious, joyous thing around. We are at St. Mary Mother of God Catholic Church in downtown Washington, D.C. because our organ is going to get renovated.
The organ has been well taken care of, but once in a century you need a little extra TLC.
For a parish, the organ is almost a statement of who they are.
The organ lifts and exalts the voice of that community. It augments that voice. It kind of gives it a rocket boost.
Gives us the dynamic breadth to create beautiful, reverent, and relevant liturgies.
You don't want to lose that voice as part of your community.
Nothing went unthought of in this church, and that includes the organ.
We received this instrument from the Catholics who were here 130 years ago who first installed it.
In anticipation for the dedication of the church, the pastor who built this place, Father George Glaab, ordered the best organ he could possibly order to really showcase the church.
This organ was built in 1891 by George Hutchings in Boston.
It went by train from Boston, Massachusetts, and then it was drawn by 3 different horse and buggy carts from the B&O Railroad Station across Washington, D.C., and then installed here.
The niche that the organ sits in was specifically built to accommodate the organ, and the organ was designed for it.
We've hired Lewis and Hitchcock to come in to totally disassemble the instrument and really restore it to some of its original shine and flourish.
Our firm is an outgrowth of the firm and the training that produced this instrument.
Combined with their track record and with the ringing endorsements that I received from other organists who have worked with them to complete similar renovations before, I'm really excited to see what this organ is going to look like on the other end of this.
We are honored to be entrusted with that work, helping to preserve and to enhance and to beautify something that contributes to the worship life of the parish.
And then we get to put it all back together again and hand it on to those who come after us.
Because of the versatility of the organ, because of the incredible power and the incredible subtlety of that instrument, it also is a beautiful and magnificent instrument for non-liturgical music.
When we're done with the organ project, we're going to be having a series of recitals throughout the course of the year to invite in the whole of the community.
This is an opportunity for our parish to kind of double our efforts to building up a beautiful, vibrant, and lively parish here in downtown Washington. And I am so excited to share this with all of the folks in the community here and around the world. And with the work that's going to be done on it, we are going to make sure that it is ready and able and capable of continuing to lead music at liturgies at St. Mary's.